welcome to this new tutorial. As you may know, it's very usual nowadays to use different learning management systems. We are integrated with a bunch of them like Moodle or Google Classroom, and today we're going to talk about one of our integrations and the new functionalities we have with them, that is Teams. Okay, the first thing you have to do to integrate your Teams with Additio is to go to the settings and link your Teams account with your Additio account. You can do that by accessing to the main menu, going to the settings and user my profile. Inside your profile, you will find this tab called linked accounts, and here you have to check if you have already your account linked. If not, it will appear one square like these ones, and you will have access to do the linking with Teams and Additio. Once you have the both platforms integrated and linked, you will be able to import your groups, import your students, link your groups. How will you do that? First thing, you will go to your groups and you will click the plus with the right side of the mouse. As you can see, it appears this option, import groups from Microsoft Teams. If you click on this option, your Microsoft Teams group will appear on the screen. You just have to choose the group you want to import. You will have a warning asking if you are sure you want to import the group, and if you select OK, the app will import the group from Microsoft Teams to Additio. As you can see, now I have my Microsoft Teams groups imported on Additio. Not only you can do that, but you can also link the group. You just have to go to the three vertical dots, the option of Microsoft Teams, and then link a group. Then the program will ask you which of the groups of Microsoft Teams do you want to link to the group, and you select the group, you click link, and the group will be linked with your Additio group. This window will appear in which you can decide if you want to import your students from Microsoft Teams. You can select just some of them, or you can select all of them. I will select all of them and I'll click import. Once you select all the students you want to import to this group, the students will be imported to the group and you will start also working with the groups. And the last thing you can do, well, the last two things you can do is import more students or link students just by going to the three vertical dots inside group linked with Teams, and go to the Microsoft Teams option, and you will see the two options to import the students and link students. After doing that, you will be able to start assessing your students and to have all the data centralized of the two platforms, Additio and Teams. I hope you like this tutorial and you find it useful, and have a really nice day.